Welcome back. We continue with business, where the government has so far laid 25,000 kilometers of the fiber optic cable in a plan that will see laying on an additional 100,000 kilometers of the digital superhighway in the next 5 years. Information Communication and the Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo says the government has onboarded contractors that will lay 52,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable, while the private sector will lay 48,000 kilometers of the optic network.
The government plans to lay an additional 100,000 kilometers of the national fiber optic network as it seeks to reduce the cost of calls and mobile data charges in the country. So far, 25,000 kilometers of a fiber optic network has been constructed in a plan that will see the government lay 52,000 kilometers of cable and the private sector 48,000 kilometers.
Already had forums of engagement between us, the integral players within the public sector and the private sector, so that we agree on what each and every integral stakeholder segment is going to deliver as far as the digital superhighway is concerned. That process has already been embarked on. We have already onboarded contractors who are going to roll out the government component of the digital superhighway. Between now and June, we envisage that we should be able to do another 5,000 kilometers.
In addition, the ministry also plans to establish 25,000 Wi-Fi hotspots with a minimum of 2 in each county, establish 100,000 digital hubs across the country, as well as 1,450 village hubs to empower the youth with digital skills, and construct 250 laboratories in partnership with TVET institutions through the Jitume program.
And through this Jitume program, we envisage that in each and every TVET in this country, we are going to establish the digital hubs, and we'll be having a minimum of 200 devices installed in each and every one of these TVETs, so that the youth can get digital skills. That again is fundamentally in progress.
Information, Communication and the Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo says once implemented, the plans will position Kenya as an African ICT hub.
It is doable, and we are here and ready to do it.
The Ministry of ICT has also embarked on digitizing of all government records and services, with conversations ongoing with the Health Ministry to create an electronic health management system.
The medical record of an individual Kenyan can be obtained from birth to date. That will ensure that we cut down the costs, because we will not be having duplicity of effort. You move from one medical facility to another, you are being asked to undertake the same processes you had undertaken in the previous hospital that you had been to, or which you had gone through with your previous doctor.
This will unlock 100 billion shillings into the Kenyan economy. Plans for digital identity and the national addressing system are also at an advanced stage.
Within the e-commerce, to facilitate e-commerce, we have embarked on the process of making sure that that we have the national addressing system. We have already at the tail end of the policy framework. We have developed the draft policy. Now we are at the level of the stakeholder engagement.
The Ministry of ICT has also embarked on a stakeholder engagement to review the existing ICT policies and Computer Misuse and Cyber Attack Act 2018 to align it with global best practices. Wiri Mujenga for Prime Edition.